Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be making a classic Christmas dessert, the Buche de Noel, also known as the Yule Log cake. This French dessert is a beautiful and delicious way to celebrate the holiday season. Ingredients. For the cake: 4 large eggs, separated. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream: 6 large egg whites. 1½ cups granulated sugar. 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. 1 cup unsalted butter, softened. 12 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, melted and cooled. For the decoration: 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Cocoa powder. Fresh cranberries, rosemary sprigs, or other desired decorations. Instructions. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a 15 by 10 inch jelly roll pan with parchment paper. In a large bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and 1/2 cup of the granulated sugar until light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, whisk together the cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and salt. In another large bowl, whisk together the egg whites and cream of tartar until soft peaks form. Gradually add the remaining 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and continue whisking until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the yolk mixture into the egg white mixture. Then, fold in the dry ingredients until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and spread evenly. Bake for 10–12 minutes, or until the cake is springy to the touch. Immediately after baking, carefully invert the cake onto a clean kitchen towel dusted with powdered sugar. Peel off the parchment paper. Starting from the short end, gently roll up the cake with the towel, forming a log shape. Let the cake cool completely in the rolled position. In a heat-proof bowl set over a pot of simmering water, whisk together the egg whites and sugar. Heat, whisking constantly, until the sugar dissolves and the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius. Transfer the egg white mixture to the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Beat on high speed until stiff peaks form and the mixture is cool to the touch, about 10 minutes. With the mixer on medium speed, gradually add the softened butter until fully incorporated. Stir in the melted chocolate until smooth and creamy. Unroll the cooled cake and spread the chocolate Swiss meringue buttercream evenly over the entire surface. Re-roll the cake back into a log shape, starting from the short end. Trim off the ends to create a neat appearance. Spread a thin layer of chocolate buttercream over the outside of the cake to cover any seams. Using a fork, create bark-like texture on the sides and ends of the cake. Dust the cake with powdered sugar to mimic snow. Decorate the Buche de Noel with fresh cranberries, rosemary sprigs, or other desired decorations. There you have it, a beautiful and delicious Buche de Noel that is perfect for any Christmas celebration. I hope you enjoy making and eating this festive dessert as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipe videos. Tips. For a richer chocolate flavor, use dark chocolate for the Swiss meringue buttercream. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can make the Swiss meringue buttercream using a hand mixer. Just be patient, as it will take a little longer to beat the egg whites to stiff peaks. Get creative with your decorations. You can use piped chocolate frosting, sprinkles, or even candy canes to make your Buche de Noel unique.